Okay, I'm starting this live video right here, hitting the blue button. Hopefully it'll start. Today is 5 October 2019. Great, we're live on that one. I'll show you the thing with this. Okay, so I'm going to put this down. That fell to the floor. Okay, let me rotate this around, rotate this down. Okay, and just put this, let's see here, where? I put these up here for a reason so you can see them briefly, but there those are. Alright, let me get out of the way. Here's a few more. Well, I'll just leave it there. Let me move this a bit. Alright, let me move this, well, just hang out there. Okay. And, alright, so, how do I do this? I could just angle both of them that way, right? Is that showing? Okay, that's showing, okay. And this one is not, so let's show that. Okay. So, let me start with this here. Okay, so, a long time ago I had a Sony CFS-W50 and I sold it, okay? And I had another one way back when, and I tried repairing it, and so I couldn't really repair it, so it looks like this now, and it has no antenna. The antenna is, you know, busted out, but it does have the tuning knob. Very important, because there's several of these on the eBay without the tuning knob. Why that goes missing, I don't know. This does not have a battery back, so I had to put or make a battery, supply. Okay, so there's that. So what I want to show you is that even though the cassette decks are not there, obviously, that it does work on the radio. So if we turn it on to the radio, okay, like that, we got radio. So,
seems like it kind of came out.
and I know you can't see it, but inside here what I do is I soldered a wire to go all the way around the inside of the radio to become what is known as an antenna. Get it? Antenna. Okay, so the antenna is inside the radio. Don't need the thing sticking out to the outside. So still it gets stereo sound. You see the stereo light there along with the operation battery, so we got that, so to give it some volume. That works, but
right now. So 3.
It'll tune, right?
2,
but now that's not the whole thing about this.
1.
This also has line in. A lot of people don't understand this radio has line in. So if you take your happy phone, right, with your line in wire, okay, and you stick it into the line in deal, it cuts out the radio. Okay, so
one in LA, one in Fort Worth.
Alexa, give to everybody.
There it's in there. All right, so now if we turn this on, all right, come on now. Now it goes dead. Wake up. Come on, phone. There we go. I don't care. Go back to here. Go back to this. And now we can play that. Okay, so that's still wild. But of course it doesn't work on batteries, or without batteries, so I don't have a power adapter for it, but that's not what this is all about. I'm here to unbox another one of those. Alright, so let me turn this off, turn that off. Alright, so put this over there, okay? And then as you see the rest of those areas, that's showing the floor pretty well, and then this was just showing, hopefully I saw enough of that, but so here we go. Let me put this about there. It's showing most of the floor with the blue thing. I need speakers. Okay, I got a cassette. Here's a cassette. Oh, and next thing, before I forget, I brought this in here too, because you know I've got to go and do some. Maybe I'll do it for one of these. Like, yeah, I'll do it. Here's my, Ryobi. I got to go out here and chop down a tree. So, never a dull moment. Mom said, you rest this weekend. You've had a very busy week, chaotic. Picking up children, driving the school bus. It's like, and she knows, you can rest Saturday, but no, I got to go chop down a tree right out this side. Anyway, let me get to it here. So here's this, like I said, here's a 5100, okay? I can't remember, does this have batteries in it? No, okay, I took the batteries out. Alright, so many radios, so many batteries. This one had batteries in it. Yeah, it does. So there's that one. This is the F model, okay? And then I also have a 50-50 with a sock in it. That's to protect the door because the door has an issue. I have to repair it. Okay, that's a 50-50F. And this is a 50-50 standard. Alright, so much for that. Okay, so now, that. I just repaired this one the other day. And this Hitachi. Alright, so anyway, good. Okay, so now where am I? Get the scissors. Alright, the scissors, get the box, there's that. Alright, so, and this one, in the listing, I don't know if the cassette deck works or not, but I've got a power cord. That's why the Sony is lit up, to ensure that I've got power coming to the power cords that I have set up here. Alright. So, oh my gosh. Alright, so, this is unusual to have the saran wrap on the outside. I've not seen that before. But this is, okay, so, oh yeah, just, I guess, okay. So now, God. Alright, it's definitely taped on here. Strong stuff. You're not getting into this cardboard box easily. There we go. Yeehaw. Alright, so now that, this, so kind of wrapping, this is not even a box, it seems like. It's just kind of a bunch of flat, who knows, kind of more like a whole bunch of flat cardboard rather than a box per se. Yeah, this is some weird stuff. Okay, so we just got a bunch of flat stuff here, and oh look, it's all another box. Okay, well, that was unusual. Overboxed. Okay, and then this box is stuffed. So, alright, so this, oh golly. There's this, there's that. Alright, so that. And then, voila, finally. Okay, so we got that. And we should have shook it beforehand, but I just picked it up and it rattled something, so. And it's got a little something inside there rattling. Oh gosh. I don't have to use all this tape on this bubble wrap. Gosh. There we go. And then, so, that. So, oh gosh. This is work, let me tell you. I don't, well, I thought I could pry it off of here. Oh, there we go. Okay, so that, this. Alright, so then here. Okay, here, okay. And finally get to this. Holy mackerel. Okay. Good grief. Alright, so, alright, here. That stuff out of the way. Power cord, which one's it take? Okay, it takes that one. Alright, so No world voltage, just standard 5100. Had something up there. It's got everything. The antenna's got a kink in it. Oh well. Okay, so, oh no! Oh gosh. There's things they don't tell you about. You see that there? See the AC compartment thing? It's shoved in. Well, I'm not going to try to jam anything to there, so that'll be a take it apart and see why the AC adapter is all jammed in. Then here's the other one. Alright. See how much time have I got on here? Hard to see the 10 minutes. Okay. Almost 11. Alright. Now this one, when it's going for a fair price, but this one came with the AC adapter, which you really need, because I don't have too many Sony AC adapters. Alright, so there's that, and okay, yeah, and oh, lovely. This is a Sony AC 93A, and well, DC 9 volt. There we go. So let you see that up close. You all see that. Okay. So, good. So that's the proper thing. Okay. So, but like I already have, just dropped my scissors. Okay. Like I already have set up. I have a power adapter thing that I'm already using with this one here. So I'll just take, this one here and just, I already did that. Great. So give me my power adapter thing and just throw it into the end. Alright. And give me radio. So that works.
Honestly, if I were a Democrat,
yeah, if you're a Democrat, we don't know. Alright, so eject, great, very nicely. So now let's turn the radio off. Let's hit play. Motor runs. Stop. That doesn't do anything. Wait. Doesn't do anything. Doesn't do anything. How about this side? Play. Nothing. That doesn't do anything. Okay, so the main belt is shot on this one here, but the radio works. Both doors close. It has the battery back. It's the Sony CFS-W50. Alright, see that there? Yeah. Alright, well I've had too much fun here. So now let me just put this all down. That's unplugged. Alright, so we'll clean this up here in a minute. Meantime, before the other camera runs out, let's just take it off of the tripod. Alright. And alright, so 13 minutes. Alright, so can we there's those people there. Okay, so now can I take this off of the tripod here? I just gotta set this down, take this off the tripod. Where's the button release? Oh, come on now. Having too much fun. I can't get, how did I put this on here? Oh, it's backwards. No wonder. Okay, so there's that. Here's this camera. Alright, so as I want to go this way with both cameras, alright, and show these here. So this is a 50-30, and this is a 50-25, okay. And this is a Panasonic 50-31, Okay, and this is a Quasar 3622, if I remember right. This is a 3632. Okay, but the reason why I'm pointing these two out is that this Panasonic and the Quasar here, if I bring them over a little closer, okay, push that down, alright. Oh no, what happened here? Something happened to the, oh well, okay, I'm back. Alright, so anyway, if I show you here that I'm trying to hold both, this thing here, this one has the exact same controls, alright, as this one does over here. Same everything, alright, same everything. Okay, just one is a, see, I'm getting close to the shut-off time on the other one, but that's the top of this one. And yeah, this one's going to cut off in 20 seconds or so. Just wanted to show you those like that. Those are not for sale. Alright. And that's it. Good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I got to run. Thanks for watching.